who's coming, look who's coming, look who's coming. Oh, it's Bobby John. Come, look at that, I got that on the top.
That's what's that?
I know, that's to stick you on top.
Very good to see you.
Salam.
Thank you very much.
How are you? I'm good. How are you? Okay.
Yesterday, you're recording yesterday. The video we made, it was not as good as I wanted to be.
Okay.
Because you distract me so much with this.
I'm going to distract you again. I'm going to distract you again.
I want to get it very right today, though.
Yeah,
you want to do two video.
Yeah.
Mini roundabout, roundabout in details.
Okay.
I will chop the head, honestly, today about mini roundabout, about roundabout. If you watch this video and you're lost after this video,
then you're always
don't
lost.
drive anymore. Don't drive anymore. Go and get the camel.
Go, get in the car. Get in the car.
Let's go. Let's go. Take this off. Hang on.
Okay, go on. Oh, here we go. Here we go. You should see his body. I won't video the body. Go on.
No, that's horrible.
He used to be a bodybuilder as well, like professional bodybuilder.
56 now. I'm 56.
Yeah. 56 medals. Yeah. MashaAllah. There we go. All right, I'm going to set this up as well on the top.
Okay.
There you go. This is the perfection. It's what you're doing. This guy's bored now. He's got his. I should be able to flip.
I want to board them.
There you go.
Okay, don't distract me, Ahmed, because I want to get this correct. You always are.
You know me. Go on. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
It's roundabouts. Go roundabout.
Roundabout.
I
want to do two videos. First one, mini roundabout. Then we cut it. Then we do the roundabout. You need to know the history of the mini roundabout. You need to know.
Okay.
I think, in my opinion, if you want to do something properly, do it properly.
Okay.
Mini roundabout has been created by the gentleman called Frank Blackmore, 1970.
Wow,
he was doing some research.
Yeah.
Then he had a brainwave, honestly, and then he created this. When he created this himself, he had the idea, okay, you give way to the right, but then it become perfect, and the people realize evolved that you give way to the right, and also the traffic from the front who's turning right is considered as right. So when you're approaching the test, you're approaching in your driving test, you're approaching the mini roundabout, you give way to two traffic on the right and in front if they're signaling right. Having said that, a lot of people saying, oh, what about if someone turned without the signal? You should. It's difficult to anticipate that. Having said that, Ahmed, you can sort of say, because he's going slowly and he wanted to go, you know. But if even we are an experienced driver, even we are an experienced instructor, it could happen to us.
Of course.
Suddenly turns. So the trick is always go, as we said yesterday, go with the speed that if you need to stop, you stop nicely, not suddenly stopping, because that's horrible. Yeah. So, but I would say, how many percent do you think the people turning right without the indicating? I would say maybe 1-2%. Yeah. Very rarely.
It's more the U-turns that catch people out. So, you know, like for example here,
we're going there. Million at the end of, I want to do that. I was thinking of this stuff. So 1970, this gentleman Frank Blackmore created this, then evolved, and they become better and better and better. So I want to do very quick one. Very quick.
See if we can try and picture
I'll bring you here. Hang on a minute.
He's got his board.
I have everything. I have everything.
Go on.
But I don't want to board them.
No. It's fine.
So very quickly. Turning left or turning right, you always give way to your right. So this is Ahmed. He wanted to turn left. Bobby's come from the right. You give way to Bobby, because Bobby is turning right. Yeah. If Bobby is turning left, you can go. If Bobby is turning right, you stop. Be careful. Sometimes they don't signal the turn right. Now, come in here. Let's say the name Maria. Yeah. Maria is important, because if Maria goes left, Bobby will continue and Ahmed has to stop. If Maria turn right, Maria will protect Ahmed from Bobby. That is the opportunity for Ahmed to go wherever he wanted to go. However, there is a little if here. If you move late, Maria goes, Bobby, if it's me, really me, then you're gonna, I go wow here. So the timing, can you get me please? The timing is so important when you enter. Okay. Stalling at the mini roundabout with manual car is a serious fault. I'm going to play here a little bit that I'm going to pretend that I'm in manual car as well. Although we drive in automatic car. One more thing, Ahmed, very quick one. When you're turning right, two wheels your side can go a little bit, touch the roundabout, go a little bit over it. They won't give you minor fault for that.
No,
depends on the examiner. Two wheels can touch or go a little bit over the mini roundabout. Okay.
Okay.
Hang on a minute.
You're gonna redraw it now, yeah?
Yes, we need.
Okay.
Because this is a little bit tricky. Mini roundabout is a bit tricky. Mini roundabout can catch you out.
Okay.
It can.
Okay.
Do you know which part?
Go on.
Straight ahead.
Yep.
So we're gonna do these very, very quickly. That's a mini roundabout. You're a good director, by the way.
There you go.
Okay, this is Ahmed going straight ahead. This is Bobby's turning right.
Yeah.
At the normal junction, the car goes left or goes straight, has priority over the car turning right. So at the normal junction, if you're turning right, crossroad, yeah, you have to stop. He pass, then you go. At the roundabout is opposite. The traffic turning right has priority, so Ahmed need to stop. You know what you have to do? When you see Bobby signaling right, it doesn't matter the distance, go to stop. A lot of people, you know what is their philosophy? They say
Beat him to
there
it.
is enough time for me to go.
I need to go before
that
them.
is, I always go with the intention of a stop. If it's really far, okay, you give way to two Bobby, you give way to this Bobby, and you give way to this Bobby.
Can I give you one more thing to add to that?
Go on then.
You got a red pen?
Yes, I have.
And what I tell my students is, this is the space there. Anybody who comes into that, you have to wait.
Absolutely correct.
Yeah. So that's
Loved it. You know what Ian Cameron used to tell me? You remember Ian Cameron? God bless his soul.
Man.
The traffic on the right has priority. If someone crossing this line, you have to stop. So if this Bobby,
By the way,
this
Ian used to be my bike trainer.
he was my
coach.
instructor
Was
as
your
well.
instructor
Yeah.
as well? Really? Oh my God.
He was not just teaching me how to. He was an instructor of instructors.
Oh,
he was
he's
executive
another level,
instructor,
I know.
another level. So if this Bobby goes left, you can go. If this Bobby goes straight ahead, you can go.
Yeah.
Come in here, Maria. This Maria is very important because when she turn right, she's blocking the two Bobbies, and then Ahmed can go.
Yes.
So Maria protecting
So blocks.
Ahmed from two. You can use this word blocks.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah,
I
it's
use
okay.
that a lot,
It's
yeah.
okay. Okay. Shall we go and do it in reality?
Let's go and do it.
Oh, hey, hang on.
Hang on a minute.
Hang on a minute.
Hang on a minute. Go on.
You know yesterday when I said about the racing drivers, MotoGP,
Okay.
you remember that?
No,
No, you don't?
I don't listen to you.
The racing driver, MotoGPs or any racing, they accelerate so much towards the bend,
Yeah.
they find the line, racing line,
Ah, yeah. Okay.
they
Oh,
slow
yeah,
down,
slow
they have
in,
to
fast
slow
out.
down,
Yeah, yeah.
fast out.
Yeah.
You do the very similar thing, not with that mad speed.
I said the same thing. You're right. Yeah. Go
You
on,
slow down
Yeah, yeah.
towards the roundabout.
Yeah.
A lot. You slow down to, I said yesterday,
Yeah.
less than 20, you said 10. I agree with you.
Yeah. I understand what you mean. Yeah.
You slow down a lot on the approach because it's so unpredictable. Someone
Yeah.
suddenly turning left or right.
Yeah.
So you cannot brake harshly. On the exit, put your foot down.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely.
Reach the speed required. If
Correct.
it's 20, go 20.
Yeah.
You know what I do with the manual car,
Go on,
Ahmed?
go on.
When I accelerate to 28, on 28, I change gear to third.
Yeah.
They don't care if you accelerate a little bit more.
No.
In fact,
You need the power from the lower gears.
all the examiners, they are a good driver. They like it.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Honestly.
Yeah. I know.
They say, come on, put your foot down, go. So reach the speed required if it's safe to do so.
Yeah. But the thing, what I tell most of them is, once you decide to go, decide. Yeah. Decide to wait and decide to go. Those are two important things. You cannot be 50-50. You cannot be, oh, shall I go or not? No. You need to be decisive. When it's time to go, fire out.
I want to say something.
Go on.
Very good.
Yeah.
I agree with you 100%. Between go or don't go,
Yeah.
don't go.
Don't go. If in doubt, leave it out.
There is two methods. I wanted to say that, but because you played this a lot yesterday,
Yeah. Go on.
you distracted me.
Of course.
There is two.
It's my job. Go on.
There is two way of doing this with the manual car.
Yeah.
That both directly depend on the capability of the candidate. Number one, which all the instructor teach, that is the low level. That is the sort of beginners that they don't have a good control. They said, do your mirror signal, change quick gear to 2, approach it slowly, safe to do so. Do this, all this priority,
Yeah,
give the
yeah,
priority and go. I don't teach this way.
Good.
I'm not saying I'm the best. I'm nobody,
Yeah.
but I don't teach this way.
Yeah, one of the highest pass rates, by the way. Yeah, yeah. Go on.
I had good pass rate.
I know you
Oh
do. I
my
know you
God.
do. Yeah,
I
20
killed it.
students last time, 19 passed.
20 at 25.
Yeah? That's the guy you contact
at
for lessons.
25 now.
Yeah.
At 25, I swear to God, 22 passed.
See, there you go.
But anyway,
Yeah, go on.
approach. Do your mirror signal. Approach in whatever gear you in. At the very last second, if you can go, select gear 2 very nicely and go at the very last second. But you have to have a good control to do this. You can do it. I can do it. A lot of people can do it. We are not only the best.
No, no. But
I'm not saying that. If I'm not the best anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
So approach it slowly. Can we go? Gear 2 go. Can you go? No. Stop gear 1.
Yeah.
Which I shall demonstrate.
Let's go. All right. So I'm going to stop the video now, and we're going to hopefully go towards the roundabouts in a sec.
The difficult one.
Difficult one.
The difficult one.
Yeah, nothing's difficult for you, is it? Stop.